Fanvue has garnered significant backlash due to numerous issues reported by its users. Here's an overview of recurring complaints and red flags surrounding the platform, particularly from one-star reviews on Trustpilot. Users report difficulty withdrawing earned money. Claims include arbitrary delays, withheld payments below false thresholds, and disappearing account balances. Several users stated that Fanvue uses its terms of service to block disputes and protect fraudulent accounts, leaving creators and subscribers vulnerable. Some reported bans or account closures when attempting to recover their funds. Multiple reviews accused Fanvue of enabling scammers by failing to act against fraudulent accounts. While privately claiming to suspend accounts, Fanvue allegedly leaves them active, allowing ongoing exploitation. Creators highlighted issues with the platform's verification process, citing outright rejections and mislabeling of users as fraudsters with little recourse. Also, many reviews point to unresponsive or dismissive customer service, especially regarding money-related disputes, and creators shared experiences of being misled about payout percentages and promotional tools, further eroding trust in the platform. Fanvue's widespread criticism highlights a pattern of payment issues, lack of transparency, and poor support for both creators and subscribers. These red flags make it a risky choice for anyone considering the platform. Proceed with caution and explore more reliable alternatives for your content needs.